Today we're going to show you an easy way to keep the sides of your 2005 through 2009 Mustang cleaner with help from JLT Performance. Now we have our 2005 GT up in the air to make it easier for you to see what we're doing, but it's not necessary for the installation. You can easily do this on the ground. First thing we're going to do is remove these two factory plastic clips. Just use a small screwdriver and just get the center lifted out. Now, if these are in good shape, you can reuse the factory ones, or JLT does include new ones. Now, these are side specific depending on what look you're going for. You've got like a gloss on one side and a texture on the other. I prefer the texture to be visible, so I have the gloss towards the tire. But since our one clip didn't really cooperate, we're going to use the new hardware. As you put it in place. Repeat the process on the other side and move on to the rears. Now for the rear, you'll need a little right-angled screwdriver or a small Phillips head screwdriver. If you don't have a small screwdriver, you can remove the wheel, but if you have a small screwdriver, it makes it pretty easy. Just remove the factory screws. Now again, on the rear, same as the front, texture one side, smooth on the other. We're going to go with the texture out. You're just going to line this up and reinstall the factory screws. And repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. These JLT splash guards don't look bad on the car and do a great job of keeping the side of the car clean. Now again, they're going to fit your 2005 through 2009 GT, GT500, Roush, or California Special. The installation, as you saw, is pretty straightforward. Give yourself about 20 minutes and be back on the road in no time.